Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Trishna and today we are going to talk about the MSc Finance program at ESCP Business School. If you're someone who is passionate about finance or looking to make a mark in the financial world, then stick around because we are going to dive deep into everything you need to know. We'll cover acceptance rate, tuition fees, scholarships, visa options, career prospects and so much more. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. First things first, did you know that ESCP is the oldest business school in the world? Yes, that is true. Founded in Paris in 1819 by two former soldiers, ESCP has been at the forefront of business education for over 200 years. How wonderful is that? 2 centuries of shaping the business leaders of tomorrow. That's the kind of legacy you want to be a part of, right? Now let's talk about the program itself. For 2 years in a row, it's been ranked number 1 globally by the Financial Times, and that's out of 65 of the top finance programs worldwide. This isn't just a ranking, it's a reflection of the program's quality and the expertise of its faculty and the incredible success stories of its graduates. If you're serious about a career in finance, this program is definitely one to consider. Okay, let's talk logistics, specifically visa. If your course is longer than 6 months, you are going to need a student visa. But don't worry, the application process is pretty straightforward. You fill out an online form, pay the application fee, and then pay the immigration health surcharge. This visa also lets you work part-time during your course, which is an amazing way to gain some work experience while you study. But here's something you might not know. If your course is shorter than 6 months, you don't need a visa. That's right, no visa is required. However, there's a catch. You won't be allowed to work or take on internships during that time. So if gaining work experience is a priority for you, you should definitely keep this in mind. And here's where things get really interesting. After you complete your degree, you can apply for a graduate visa. This visa lets you work in the UK for up to 2 years, giving you the chance to kickstart your career right after graduation. The fee is €700 plus the immigration health surcharge, but think of it as an investment in your future. If you find a job with an eligible sponsor, you can even switch to a skilled worker visa and stay in the UK for even longer. Alright, let's switch gears and talk about the course structure. The MSc Finance program at ESCP Business School is a full-time 15-month course that's split between 2 amazing cities, Paris and London. It kicks off with an 8-week common core that lays the foundation in finance. After that, you get to specialize in either corporate investment banking or financial markets. This is where you start to tailor the program to fit your career goals. What's really cool is that you get to experience both Paris and London during the course. You'll spend 15 weeks on each campus, immersing yourself in different financial markets and cultures. This kind of exposure is truly invaluable in today's globalized world. But that's not all. The program also includes a professional internship lasting at least 4 months. This isn't just any internship, it's a chance to apply what you have learned in the classroom in real-world situations. And after that, you will wrap up with a dissertation and a research seminar, which is your opportunity to dive deep into a topic you are passionate about. Now let's address the elephant in the room. How do you get into the program? ESCP is known for being super competitive. We are talking an acceptance rate of just 10%. So if you are thinking about applying, you have got to bring your A game, my friend. Aim for a GMAT score of 700 or higher and make sure your GPA is at least 3.3. While work experience isn't mandatory, 90% of admitted students at ESCP have significant professional experience. So having some relevant experience will definitely give you an edge over others. When it comes to your application, it's all about showcasing your strengths. Highlight your leadership skills, problem-solving abilities, and any relevant extracurricular activities. And don't forget, your essays are your chance to really stand out, so make them count. Also, choose your recommenders wisely because their support can make or break your application. Well, let's not forget about the financial side of things. The tuition fee for the 2024-25 academic year is €29,100. I know it's a big number, but don't panic just yet. There are scholarships available that can help you offset the cost. ESCP offers a 10% tuition fee exemption based on social criteria and excellence. And if you are a Crown scholarship holder, you could get a reduction of up to 50%. So that's a significant amount of money saved right there. Plus, internships can also help you cover some of your expenses. These usually come with a monthly stipend ranging from 500 to 2000 euros, which can go a long way in managing your living costs. And if you are an international student, consider applying for a student loan from a bank in your home country. Having a guarantor is usually required in France, so keep that in mind. Also, there are on-campus jobs that pay around 10 euros per hour. These part-time positions are a great way to earn some extra cash while gaining valuable work experience. So there are definitely ways to make the finances work. Alright, we have talked about the program, the cost and the visas. Now let's get to the fun part, career prospects. This is where ESCP really shines. The employment stats for MSc Finance graduates are off the charts. We are talking 100% employment rate within just 3 months of graduation. That's right, every single graduate lands a job within 3 months. And not just any job. 67% of them are in positions with an international dimension, which is a huge deal in today's global economy. And let's talk numbers. Graduates have an average salary of 97,000 euros. That's a pretty impressive figure, right? Most of them find jobs in banking and insurance sector, with 58% going into these fields. Market finance is another big area, attracting 26% of graduates. And then there are also those who go into consulting, law and other sectors, making up about 6% of the total. Some of the top companies that recruit from ESCP are CT, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Deutsche Bank and Bank of America, among others. And these are the names you want on your resume, right? So there you have it, folks, a detailed overview of the MSc Finance program at ESCP Business School. If you are serious about a career in finance, this program could be your ticket to success. And if you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And hey, if you're looking for personalized advice on the admissions process or need help with your application, check out the links in the description for one-on-one consultations. Plus, don't miss out on our weekly live evaluation workshop hosted by Ameer. Link to the workshop is also mentioned in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay awesome, stay amazing.